Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Baby Grammar. How are you all? Hope you are doing well and in good health. So today in this video we are going to understand how we can take user inputs and how we can store the user inputs as well. So let's begin. So far in this series we understood that how we can create functions, but now we have to take user inputs. So So I wrote some code here. So what this code basically does is, so I wrote a function called addition in our previous video. I kept it as it is. So I made a variable called a, which is equals to input function. Input function is basically a function for taking user inputs, and we have to pass a string in input function. This string is a label of our input. We need to tell the user what the user have to give to the application. So here I have told that he has to enter the first number, and as inputs are by default string, I have converted the input string to an integer. So this integer has been stored inside A. Similarly, B is the second number. And then I printed cool, and I just did some string content catenation, and then I added str function. This is used for converting an integer or integer to an string. So a is an integer, it's converting a to a string. So a plus and string which shows plus, then b equals to str if b. That means now if I run the code, it asks me for the first number, entering the first number. So I entered 2, second number 1, 2. 2 plus 1 equals to 3. So hope you understood what is inputs in Python. So if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel and read the bell as well. Don't forget join my Discord server, link in the description.